Adam here. I have this portable little shower unit here that we're going to show you all about. You can also use it to clean your vehicle, take a shower, water your grass, whatever you need to do. This has you covered. It does have a rechargeable battery with a big rechargeable lifespan, so that's fantastic. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Folks, I've got some Armor All Wash and Wax I went ahead and put in here so I can mist that onto my vehicle very easily. It's got a rubberized gasket to make sure it stays in there, and this is going to be a great little device. Turn it on. We can get to soaping. Get mixing in there. This is going to be a great addition to cleaning your vehicle. So first, let me show you how this can be used. We've put some Armor All soap in here, and we can go ahead and we can work on our tires. Now that's a nice aspect that I'm distributing soap. I can put that on the vehicle, I can do whatever I want. Then, with a push of a button, I can switch out the heads and go right here, turn this back on, and now we've got an ability to scrub with this head. Really straightforward and smart, and I can clean off that wheel like it was new. That's great for all you mobile detailers out there, but also great for people who want to be able to do things on the go. I've got a Jeep, we're on a trail. It's nice that I can get to cleaning it anywhere and make it look like new. All right, folks, on top of that, it does come with a couple of portable water buckets, really lightweight, so you don't even have to have a water source available. You just take this, fill it up, put it in the back of the Jeep, put it in the back of the RV, and you can take this anywhere with you. So that is impressive, and you know, it's not bad to have a little extra water with you just in case, but this is going to fill your bucket, or of course you can fill it with a hose. So they've thought of just about everything here. I also have to point out that it's got a tremendous motor that's super quiet. So a lot of pressure without that big air compressor noise. This thing is super quiet. Now, the idea that you can attach it to the included garden handle is fantastic as well. It's a multi-sprayer, so you can go spray, flat, center, and that's powerful. Whoop. Shower, cone, jet, and full. Really fantastic that there's so many options here for us all to use. I personally like being able to water my garden in those far off spots, whether I need a mister for my orchids or a flat spray, whatever I need, this thing has me covered. That's really important. We just put some new grass in and I can hit that new grass. All right, folks, and probably what most people are interested in, yes, you can take an outdoor shower as well. So let me go ahead and turn this on. Let's get to showering. How nice is that, right? All right, folks, steady stream too. Fill it with warm water is my tip. That way you're having a nice warm shower. Let it heat up in the sun first and you've got a real advantage. But it's a great shower head, adjustable accordingly, and you can go through all the different conveniences of having your own shower in high water, high pressure for your RV or out and about, folks. All right, folks, a little bit of water on the camera, so let me move on, but this thing is absolutely fantastic. Oh, yeah. All right, folks, so for all you adventurers and RVers out there, if you're looking for a fantastic outdoor shower, this thing has you covered. Go pick it up. You can use it for so many different purposes: watering the grass, fixing your car, cleaning your car, so many different things. It's really convenient. Heck, put some water in it. You could probably scrub off and do that first rinse on the dishes with it when you're RVing. Go check it out. You won't be disappointed. Go pick one up and stick around for the up-close portion of our video. Oh yeah. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. You can see the on-off right here. It is battery powered, and there is your connector for your hose. Opening it up. This is a smart design. It does have a little filter right here in case there's dirt and debris in the water. And let's take out all the pieces parts, all individually wrapped for safekeeping and protection. Okay, 2 bags for water, that's nice. So you can really get a lot of showers in, of course. Then let's see if we can open this up. I may have to, there we go, find our handy knife here. They've done a good job packing the individual products as you would come to expect from a premier brand like this. Now this shower is going to be perfect for me, perfect for hunting, camping, and everything in between. And it looks like they've just got a plethora of ways to charge. Now you can put this into your lighter or into your 110, your standard US connection. Okay. Suction cup, probably for that shower head, etc. Hook. And we're going to open up what we have here. So yeah, I'm very impressed. I've used this brand before, and I'm very happy with the quality of connections, no leaking, and they don't skimp when it comes to the little stuff. You don't have to buy the accessories separately. You know, who wants that? So, let's see what we have here. Again, well packaged for safety and security of the product. Well, it's hard for you to see, it's hard for me to see. Here's your sprinkler head. This is gonna be great for, this is great. It's got flat, center, shower, cone, jet, full, mist, etc. Great for showering or maybe even washing a car. Full shower head, impressive, adjustable, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. Variety of settings, of course. Well, they got everything in this pack. I'm very impressed with how many options they have. A lot of the competition aren't going to have that. Of course, you can put your soap and one more piece here to control it. That's nice. All right, then last but certainly not least, of course, your hose. You see a durable hose there with great fittings. That's going to make your job easier. See if I can get that right on the first time. Yep. Look how easy that is to connect. Easy, quick connect, high quality fittings. The gaskets that seem like they will last as well. Now that's nice. They even give you a little Velcro here instead of using zip ties where you could retie it with this Velcro again. So that's reusable in case you want to keep your hose in a organized situation. So folks, I know there's a lot of stuff there. That's why it's the up close portion of the video. But really a fantastic device. Fill it with water, snap it into place, and you're good to go. If you're looking for a high quality product that will not be beat, this one is just too sweet. All right, folks, trust the name, trust the brand. Get yourself one, you will not be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you, and go pick one up. Goodbye, my friends.